Hello, a big hi to you all. How are you? Hope you have done your homeworks. And did you go through your previous year's textbook, which I told you in the last class to go through your integers lesson? I hope you have done. So we can continue with our fractions lesson, okay? And I know that you already got your textbook. Many of you got your textbooks. It is actually, I have skipped some of the few points there that I will take later on. I will take the class, okay? So let us come back. A small portion which I skipped earlier, it is subtraction. Subtraction and usage of subtraction in the form of a statement, okay, that you already studied. So we will start with that. So first statement I am going to write. You can write the question along with me. Word problems and all will be coming. So that I will tell you the question number, you can write it later. You can write the question number there and you can write it later. Now as I am going to do, you can along with me you can write, okay. So the first question I am going to write it. Subtract 2 from 2 by 3. Subtract 2 from 2 by 3. This is in the form of a statement, right? You have to write it in the form of a number form, in the form of figure you have to write. How you can write this? You have to subtract 2 from 2 by 3. That means how you will write in this in the figure form? 2 by 3 minus 2. This is the way you have to write. Don't write as 2 minus 2 by 3, which is wrong thing. Understood? Which is wrong. Here you have, according to the statement, you have to write it in figure, that is to subtract 2 from 2 by 3, that means 2 by 3 minus 2. Don't write 2 minus 2 by 3. I hope you got it. Okay, so we will continue with this problem. 2 by 3 minus 2. So here what we have to do? We have to find the LCM. Here LCM means the denominator of 2 is actually it is 2 by 1, right? 2 by 3 minus 2. 2 means it is 2 by 1. So here automatically the LCM will come as 3. So we are going to multiply it. 2 into 1. 3 ones are 3, right? 3 ones are 3 minus 2 multiplied by 3 by 1 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 2 by 3 minus, what is that? 6 by 3. Here it coming as 2 by 3 minus 6 by 3. Here you see, numerator normal way when we do what we will do it? 2 minus 6 by 3, right? So here 6 is bigger than 2. So what we have to do? This is why I told you please go through your integers lesson, the operations you have to go through. Because 2 minus 6, we already know 6 minus 2, you will get it as, what you will get? It is 4, but according to the integers, rules of operations according to integers, when minus and negative numbers and positive numbers are coming, here it is 6, here it is 2, when you subtract, in the answer it will be a negative will come, so that is negative 4 by 3. Then also we cannot stop there. Why? It is a improper fraction. You can reduce that into the lowest form. So when you reduce, what you will get the answer? You will get the answer as negative. This negative you have to write. So 4 divided by 3. What you will get? 1 by 3. So that is the final answer. I hope you understood. For this only I told you, you have to go through integers will be coming, positive integers and negative integers will be coming. Subtraction you will get negative integers you will get while doing the multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So you should be thorough with the operations of integers. So you have to subtract negative 5 by 6 from 2 by 3. I hope you got the question. So how we will write the question? In the form of figure, this is a statement problem. We will write the question as 2 2 by 3 minus negative 5 by 6. I hope you got it. Subtract negative 5 by 6 from 2 by 3. So, it will be written in the figure in the number form like this, 2 by 3 minus negative 5 by 6. Okay. Now, what we have to do? Now, the same way you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. You will get it as what? 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3 minus negative 5 by 6. Now, what we will do? You have to find the LCM there. Before finding the LCM, let me ask you, minus and negative are coming together, then what will be the final result? The result, what you have, you can write it as 8 by 3 plus 5 by 6. I hope you understood it, how it is coming. 2 negatives are coming, minus signs are coming, so that will become a positive, because here we are multiplying that minus, and 2 minuses are we are multiplying, so we are getting a positive. Now, we have to see this, we have to do the simplification of 8 by 3 plus 5 by 6. So, here LCM is 6, since 3 is the factor of 6. So, here I am going to write it as 8 multiplied by 2, because 3 multiplied by 2 will get the 6 as LCM, plus 5 multiplied by 1 and 6 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 16 by 6 plus 5 by 6, which comes as 21 by 6. Now, 21 by 6 is an improper fraction. This one we have to change it into mixed number. So, okay, so here it is 21 by 6, which means it is an improper fraction. You have to convert that into the mixed fraction to the lowest form. So, 21 by 6 you will divide. What you will get? It will get 3 times, this is 18, 3 is the balance form. Now, remainder comes as 3, this how you will write it in the mixed fraction form, 3 by 6. Again, 6 and 3, what is common there? 3 is common in 6, 3 and 6. So, we can again reduce and we can write it as 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Here 3 will go one time, here it will go, 2 times. So, you can write 3, 1 by 2. I hope you got it. Okay. So, what we done here, subtract negative 5 by 6 from 2 by 3. So, that we wrote it in the subtraction in the figure form, and then we changed this minus and minus are coming together. So, we wrote it as plus sign, and then we found the LCM is 6 there. I did not write separately because you already know you have to find it. So, I did not write it, you can write it, okay. And then 6 is coming, we made it into like fractions. We added it, we got 21 by 6, and that again we reduced into the mixed fraction, and we got 3 by 6, which 3 by 6 is having 3 as a common factor. So, we reduced that again, so the answer came as 3, 1 by 2. I hope you all got it, how to do it. The same thing, if you are not writing in this form, you may get different answers you will get. Since the statement is given as subtract negative 5 by 6 from 2 by 3, you have to write in this form itself. Otherwise, what will happen is that you will get the answer as a wrong answer you will get. Same way, another method, one question will come as take away. These things you have studied already. Take away 6 from 7, what you will do? Just this, no need to write this, as an example I am telling it to you, okay. Take away 6 from 7, what you can do here? How you will write it? Take away, you have to take 6 from 7, so that is 7 minus 6. This is the way you have to write it. You should be thorough with these types of word problems. You can understand and write it, okay. Don't by heart these things, you just understand the statement what is given, understand the meaning of it, and then you have to write in the figure form, the number form. Understood? Okay, this given in your textbook, the statement problems are given in your textbook. So, according to that number, I am going to put the number here also. So, other problems, some of them I will give you as homework. These problems you put the number according to what I am writing there, the number, because it's according to the textbook exercise I am giving you the problems. Okay, so shall we start? So, with this question we will start. What number should be added to 8 2 by 3 to get 12 5 by 6? What number should be added to 8 2 by 3 to get 12 5 by 6? That's a question. So, normally in our lower classes we already studied what should be added to 7 to get 12. What should be added to 7 to get 12? What you will do? Automatically you will be subtracting 7 from 12, that is 12 minus 7, you will get it as 5. So, this blank is filled with 5. These type of questions you have studied. So, the same thing we are repeating in here in the fraction form. But here I will just write it in a different form, that is in generalized form we will write it. That is, we will use one alphabet for finding that answer. What is that answer? So, I will just see how I am writing it. Okay. So, what number should be added to 8 2 by 3 to get 12 5 by 6? Let the number, I am just writing, let the number be x. So, I am writing the small italics x here. Okay. So, let the number be x. So, I am going to write now the statement problem, I am changing it into the figure form, I am writing should be added. So, the number we have to add, I am writing it as x, 8 2 by 3 plus x is equal to 12 5 by 6. Just see this one and this question. What number should be added to 8 2 by 3 to get 12 5 by 6? When two numbers are added together, you are getting an answer. When two numbers are added together, you are getting an answer as 12 5 by 6. In that, one number is known to us, that is 8 2 by 3. One number is known to us, which is 8 2 by 3. The other number we have to find out. So, that unknown number we are taking it as x. So, two numbers added together and we are getting an answer here. So, 8 2 by 3 plus x is equal to 12 5 by 6. Okay. So, how we wrote this, I hope you understood it. Now, what we will do? Transposing of these numbers, I know that you are well versed. That is, when a number is taken to the other side, to taking the numbers equal to. If numbers are here in this side of the equal to and other side of the equal to, how to pass this one to the other side, I hope you know that. That is, when a positive number is taken to the other side of the equal to, it will become a negative number. An operation plus or addition operation when taken to the other side, what will become? It will become a subtraction form. If multiplication is taken to the other side, it will become division, and division is taken to the other side, it will become multiplication. Yes, you already know that very well. So, I am keeping this x there itself and writing that 12 5 by 6. So, this one is taken, 8 2 by 3 is taken to the other side of the equal to, it will become minus sign, minus 8 2 by 3. I hope you understood this. So, first we wrote this as the equation form, that is 8 2 by 3 plus x is equal to 12 5 by 6. X is what we have to find. The value of x is what we have to find. So, x we kept it here itself equal to this one minus the other number what we are taking to the other side. I hope you got it, you understood. So, now what do you have to do? We have to make it into improper fractions first. That is, it's given in mixed fractions. So, 12, 6, what will be coming here? 12 6 are and plus 5 to be 77 by 6 minus 24 plus 2, it is 26 by 3. Now, So, I am just rubbing these things. I'll just write from here, 77 by 6 minus 26 by 3. Okay. 77 by 6 and 26 by 3. Here we have to convert this into what? Like fractions. And like fractions, here LCM, we know what is LCM of 6 and 3. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6 itself. So, here 77 by 6, you have to multiply with 1 here, 26 by multiplied by 2 because 2 times we will get as 6. So, we got it here in this method. So, what will be next step? 77 by 6 minus what is 26 multiplied by 2? 6 2s are 12, 1, 4, 52 by 6. Now, you got it. Now, what you have to do? You have to subtract 52 from 77. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, the answer you are getting it as 25 by 6. Is it over? No, it is not over. Why? It is not over. It is a improper fraction. So, you have to change it into mixed fraction. So, that will come. How many times 6 will go? Without division itself you can do it. How many times 6 will go in 25? 4 times. 6 4s are 24. 4, 1 by 6 will be the answer. So, x is equal to, what is that? X is equal to 4, 1 by 6, which is the unknown number that we have to write it. So, what number should be added to 8, 2 by 3 to get 12, 5 by 6? We got it as 4, 1 by 6. I hope you understood it. Okay. The ninth question of your exercise, it is, what should be subtracted from 8, 2 by 3 by 4 to get 2, 2 by 3? I hope you all got the question. What should be subtracted from 8, 3 by 4 to get 2, 2 by 3? So, same way what we done in the previous question, here it is given in the statement form, you have to write it in the equation form. How we will write it? We have to use x in the general form. X we will write the number as, let the number be x. We will take that number as unknown number as x. Let the number be x. Okay. So, what should be subtracted from this? So, that first number you have to write 8 3 by 4 should be subtracted. Which number you have to write? X you have to write. That is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So, 8 3 by 4 minus x is equal to 2 by 3. Understand the question and then you write it. It will be easy for you. Don't by heart it how you have to do it. Okay. So, here let the number be x. We wrote that unknown number as x and that x is subtracted. So, 8 3 by 4 minus x is equal to 2 by 3. Now, what we have to do? Now, we have to transpose this. Okay, so here it is minus x is coming. So, what I am going to do is that I am going to take this minus x to the other side. X has to be in a single form because we have to find the x. Okay. So, for our easy one, we are taking that x to the other sides and this 2 by 3 we are taking to this side. So, it will become 8 3 by 4. So, it is a positive fraction, right? Positive integer is coming here. So, this one we will take to this side. So, it will become minus 2 by 3. X when we are taking, what will happen? This x is a negative number. So, we will make it as here when it will become plus sign. I hope you got it. So, this is the one. Now, we have to find the value of x. Here first what you have to do? We have to change. Here I am just writing this x. Anyway, x equal to x means we can write x as in the first position. X is equal to 8 3 by 4. When we convert 8 3 by 4, it will become 35 by 4 minus, then 2 2 by 3. What will become 2 2 by 3? It will become as 8 by 3. Now what is LCM? LCM of 4 and 3? It is 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. LCM is 12. Now what we have to do? We have to make this into like fractions. So you have to multiply this 4 with 3 and this 3 with 4. Then you will get the denominators as 12. So I am just going to do that. 35 into 4 by 4 into 4 minus 8, sorry not 4, here 3 we will do. 4 by 3 into 4. I hope you got it. I am just rubbing this one, the top part. Okay. Now 35 into 3. What is 35 into 3? 35, 5 3s are 15, 1 balance, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 12 minus 8 4s are 32 by 12. Now 105 minus 32 by 12, that is equal to, you can do it in your working column, 105 minus 32. Here it is 3, here this will become 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7, that is equal to 73 by 12. 73 by 12. And now this is in a improper fraction, you have to reduce it and make it into mixed fraction. That also we will do. Divide 73 by 12. What you can do there? What you will get there? 12, multiplication of table of 12, you know it very well. What is 12? 5s are. What is 5? 12 5s are. It is 60. Now we will go for 12 6 are. What is 12 6 are? 72. So you will get 6 here, then 72, subtract it, you will get 1 as the remainder. So you got the answer as 6, 1 by 12. So the unknown number, what should be subtracted from 8 3 by 4 is 6, 1 by 12. I hope you understood. Did you understand? I hope you understood. We can do it. Few more problems later. You just go through. I will give some homeworks. You just see whether you are getting it. You can just ask the doubts. If you are not getting while doing the homework, I will clear it off. Okay. Okay. So here the 17th question. If A is equal to 3 by 8 and B is equal to 6 5 by 8, find. Two questions are there. First one is A divided by B and the second question is B divided by A. Here I will do only the first question, the second question it is homework for you. I hope you understood. So if A is given, the value is given and B's value is given, you have to find A divided by B. So the first one we will do here. So A divided by B. So here A is given as what? 3 by 8 and B is given as 6 5 by 8. A divided by B is equal to 3 by 8 divided by 6 5 by 8. First we have to change this into improper fraction. So this is 3 8s are 24, 27 by 8 divided by, here it will become 53 by 8. Yes. Now what to do? Division it is coming, so you have to change here. To do multiplication, the division operation division will change into multiplication when this term we will change it to change it into the reciprocal of it, that is 27 by 8 multiplied by 8 by 53. So here both 8 will go here one time, so 27 and 53 is coming. See here 27 by 53. Now any common factors here for 27 and 53? No, no common factors are there for 27 and 53. So you can write, no need to reduce it into the lowest form. This is the answer. I hope you got it. Here A divided by B. A is given as 3 by 8 and B is given as 6 5 by 8. A divided by B is written like this way, and then we have done it. We got the answer as 27 by 53. The second subdivision, B divided by A, you have to do it yourself. I hope you got it. 19th question. The product of two numbers is 25 by 7. If one of these numbers is 62 by 3, find the other. So two numbers product is given as 25 by 7 and one number is given 62 by 3. Earlier we done a problem with addition and subtraction. Same way here in the multiplication form it is coming. So two numbers, here only one number is given, which is that number 62 by 3. The unknown number, let the number be x. Let the unknown number be x. So two numbers when multiplied, that is 62 by 3 multiplied by x, what you will get? You will get the answer as 25 by 7. Now we have to find this x here. How you will find x? We will keep the x there itself and we will take this part to the other side of the equal to. So multiplication when taken to the other side of equal to, what will become? It will become division. So here 25 by 7 divided by, we are taking the 62 by 3 to the other side, 62 by 3. I hope you understood that. So when multiplication is taken to the other side, it will become division. So x we are keeping in there itself. We took that 62 by 3 to the other side, so it became division. Now when you do the division, before going to the division one, we will just convert this mixed fractions into improper fractions. So here 20, so this will be 145. 145 by 7 divided by 20 by 3. Now we will go for the division part operation. So 145, we will do the division here, we will do it here itself. By 7 multiplied, so 20 by 3, reciprocal of 20 by 3 is 3 by 20. Now either you can multiply this 145 with 3 and 7 with 20, that is numerators you can multiply or denominators you can multiply, and then you can reduce it. Otherwise then and there itself you can multiply. Here I am going to multiply, here it's not multiply, reduce here itself. Okay. So 5 is a common factor for 145 and 20. So 5 will go here how many times? 2 times, and here it will become 45, so it is 9. Here it will go 4 times. So what you are getting? I just rub here. That is equal to 29 multiplied by 3 by 7 multiplied by 4. What is 29 multiplied by 3? You will get it as 87 by 28. I hope you got it. 87 by 28. It is in a improper fraction. You have to reduce that, make it into mixed fraction. So 87, you have to divide it and write 87 by 28. How many times? 28 multiplied by 3, what you will get? 24 to 6, 84. So 3 times 84. Subtract 3 you will get. So the answer is 3 3 by 28. I hope you understood these things. So the product of two numbers is 25 by 7. If one of these number is 62 by 3, find the other. What we did? So we just put the other number as x. So here 2 by 3 multiplied by x gives you 25 by 7. From this we found the value of x, that is x is equal to 3 by 28. I hope you understood it. And homeworks I will give you. Take care. Bye.